Bandsaw tables are too small to safely and accurately cut longer boards, such as during resawing. Add the Bow Products Bandsaw Resaw Master Pack and make things right. With the resaw feather board in place, boards stay straight and tight against the fence. The XT feed supports add solid support to both the infeed and outfeed end of the fence. Then there's the 5" by 46" long aluminum fence itself, designed to stay straight and flat for perfect cuts. The Resaw Master Pack gives you everything you need to turn a normal bandsaw into a master resaw machine. Simply attach the fence to your existing fence with the provided T-track clamps. Adjust the feed supports to match your current project, and go to town. Perfect resawing results. Add the Bandsaw Resaw Master Pack to your saw and tackle the largest boards with ease.